2025 Dacia Dokker is here, and it's redefining the compact van segment with a combination of practicality, modern tech, and affordability that's hard to beat. Welcome back to Ride Review, where we bring you the inside scoop on the latest cars in the market. Let's dive into what makes the Dokker an excellent choice for families and businesses alike. Starting with its design, the 2025 Dokker boasts a fresh, modern look. Dacia has refined its exterior with sharper lines and an updated grille, giving it a sleeker profile. The LED daytime running lights and optional alloy wheels add a touch of sophistication, proving that utility can also be stylish. The sliding side doors remain a key highlight, providing effortless access to the spacious rear cabin, a feature that's especially handy for loading cargo or getting kids in and out. Step inside, and you'll find an impressively versatile interior. The new Dokker offers seating for up to 5 passengers, with generous legroom and headspace. The rear seats are modular, allowing you to fold or remove them entirely to create a cavernous cargo area of up to 3,000 liters. Whether it's family road trips or hauling work equipment, this car adapts to your needs seamlessly. On the tech front, Dacia has upped its game. The 2025 Dokker comes equipped with an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a rearview camera, parking sensors, and optional navigation to make your drive even smoother. Safety is a priority too, with advanced features like lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and hill start assist now standard across all trims. Under the hood, the Dokker is powered by a 1.3-liter turbocharged petrol engine, delivering 130 horsepower and decent fuel economy, making it both efficient and capable. You also have the choice of a diesel variant for those looking for even better mileage. The driving dynamics are well suited for urban commutes and long journeys, with light steering and a suspension system that absorbs bumps with ease. And the best part? The 2025 Dacia Dokker starts at just $22,500, making it one of the most budget-friendly options in its class. It's hard to argue with that kind of value, especially when paired with Dacia's reputation for reliability. We'll share more about its features tomorrow, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ride Review. Join us next time for another exciting car review. See you on the road.